Second problem, if P is the pull required to lift a load W by means of a pulley block, find a linear law of the form P equals mW plus C connecting P and W using the following data. P and W values they are given, and also you have to compute P when W equals 150. They are given the equation P equals mW plus C. Here P and W are the variables, M and C are constants. Normal equations are, apply summation for this. Summation P equals M into summation W plus, since it is constant you have to multiply by N. Again multiply this equation by W. W into P equals M into W square plus C into summation W. Here n equals 4, number of P and W values, that is 4. Then construct the table. You need W, P, W square and WP. For these values you have to construct the table. W and P already they have given. Add these two. W square this and again add this. W into P, multiply these two columns and add at the end. Using these values in the normal equation, substitute these values in the normal equations. Summation P means 73 and M into summation W 340M plus N into C, N value is 4C. Second equation, W into P 6750 equals W square 31800 M plus summation W 340C. Solving these two equations, you will get M and C value. M is 0.1879 and C value is 2.2758. Using calculator you have to find out M and C value. Next again substitute this M and C value in this equation. M and C value, you will get this equation. P equals 0.1879 W plus 2.2758, and also you have to find out P when W equals 150. So substitute W value here, that is 150. So you will get P equals 30.4608. Third problem, fit a curve of the form y equals a plus b by x to the following data and hence find y when x equals 8. X and y values they are given. Solution, given equation y equals a plus b by x. For 1 by x you have to take capital X. Therefore y equals a plus b into capital X. Normal equations are sigma y equals, since it is constant, n into a plus b into sigma capital X. Again multiply this equation by capital X. Sigma capital X into y equals a into sigma capital X plus b into capital X, that is capital X square. Then construct the table. X and y values they are given. Capital X means 1 by x, 1 by small x. Small x means these values. Take the reciprocal of these values, you will get capital X and add at the end. And capital X square means square this and again add this. Capital X into y means multiply these two columns and add at the end. You will get 64.0666. Substitute these values in the normal equation. Using calculator find out a and b. A value is 42.43, b value is 14.72. Substitute this value in this equation, a and b value. Again capital X means 1 by small x. And also you have to find out y at x equals 8. So put x is equal to 8 in this. Therefore y equals 44.27 you will get.